If you ever wanted to know if someone is coming in your driveway or on your property, this alarm kit will alert you right away. Now, this sensor will transmit a signal up to 4,000 feet away to this receiver, and they're made by Safeguard Supply, and they've been making these products for over 20 years. So let's take a closer look to see how they work. This is the ERA-DSTX driveway sensor. It can transmit up to 4,000 feet away. This is great for long driveways. It shoots a beam up to 100 feet, and you can customize the sensitivity, the LED light, the range, the time between alarm signals using these jumpers inside the unit. You'll also need a 9-volt battery. The ERA-RXPG receiver can receive up to 12 sensors and transmitters, and each one can have its own sound. There's 3 alert modes. You have sound, and strobe, or strobe only. You also have a volume control. Before installing, pair the 2 devices. And to do that, you hold the mode button for 3 seconds until you hear a tone, and zone 1 should be flashing. Then you can either wave your hand over the sensor or press the test button. You'll hear the receiver play a short tone. Once that's done, hold the button down again for 3 seconds and you finish the programming. You have 2 different mounts, a flat plate or a swivel mount. To install, all you have to do is mount the sensor in a place where there's no obstructions like bushes or trees, and the receiver can be placed anywhere you spend the most time. Now, each time someone pulls into the driveway or on the property, you'll know that someone's here. You know, Safeguard Supply has been in the business of building these sensors and alarms for over 20 years. They're real reliable and they have great customer support. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.